Let's play good saw, bad saw. Not so good. You gotta make sure the recoil isn't broke. I ran it out of gas, so it won't start. See that? This is one I bought new. And yes, it came with 22-inch bar. This is the second bar. I've gone through about 6 chains. Big dog. This thing has cut a lot of lumber. I destroyed it to turn it into a lumber mill, and it's cut a lot of lumber. Then I put the dog back on and cut a lot of firewood with it. But won't hold its own weight, right? It still runs, but not well. The 028. See that? The 3/8. Did I do the wild thing? I got this used wood saw and pretty much wore it out. This thing drank a lot of gas. It was a good saw, but it won't hold its own weight anymore. So that was good saw, bad saw.